I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this Hyundai ix35 from any screen into Nav. You've got their address, last destinations, address book, place of interest, parking, continued guidance. So address, country, city, street, postcode. Postcode, quickest and easiest way. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, and we are PR54, defaulted back to letters, JS. That's the one, PR54JS. Click on that, OK. Start. Gives you a choice of 3 routes there. The fastest start.
Starting route guidance.
That's it, simple as that to use. It's quite a good system actually, because a lot of the Sat Nav systems these days, if you've only got 2 numbers in the postcode, sometimes you have to go back to letters and then put a space in and then another. And this, you just go straight through, dead simple.